Today we are going to talk about the remove method in Python list, right? So that method is discussed by the real life example, right? Please see this video to the end, right? So what is that method? The remove method is used to delete a specific value list, right? That is known as remove method in Python, right? This is the what the syntax of what the remove method. We will write the name of list, then after we will use the dot operator, then after we write the remove keyword, right? Then after we will give the value we want to, right? So it will take only one argument. What will take only one argument? So this is the example, a real life example of remove method, right? This is the biscuit one, name of list, right? So we have stored three values, right? Mango, orange, and strawberry. Now we are going to remove the one value, right? We will write the biscuit one, right? Then after we will use the remove keyword. After we will put the value we want to give the same value, right? You are not allowed to give the what the index something else, right? Now we will print the biscuit one, then we will print that output on this. This is your output, right? Whatever you want to delete, whatever value you want to delete, you can do it, right? By the right. So in the next example, we have a what the remove float value. We have a stored the we have a float value list. We'll remove the write the name of list, then we will use the remove keyword, right? Then after we will use the I, right? Now I've print on the screen, you will get what. Now I will run on this program, will get what. So now in the last example number three, which is what mixed data type, which we have a integer, string, float, and two, right? Boolean values, right? Now I want to what delete uh, integer. Suppose Python. Then I will write the Python, right? Now I will print on the screen. You will get what? I will run this program. You will get output. In the last, we have a for example for you people. You will start, right? You will remove the string and will remove the dictionary. You will remove